Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. Root Beer here, looking at question number 12 on our Grade 8 2018 Gauss paper. So, question 12, and if you haven't tried it, I would recommend that you pause the video and try the question, even try the rest of the contest. If you would like a copy of it, I'll remind you, as I did in the first video, that you can get one by clicking the link in the description. But I'll assume you've tried the question now. What have we got here? There is a 3-hour time difference between Vancouver and Toronto. Yeah, I think that's true. For example, when it's 1 p.m. in Vancouver, it's 4 p.m. in Toronto, so Toronto is the later time. Okay? We add 3 hours to get the time in Toronto, if we're given the time in Vancouver. And if we were given the time in Toronto, we'd have to go back 3 hours to get the time in Vancouver. We understand the relationship now. What time is it in Vancouver when it is 6:30 p.m. in Toronto? Okay, well, we might say Vancouver time is Toronto time minus 3 hours. So what would I do? I'd say, well, it's 6:30 p.m. in Toronto, and I'd go back 1 hour to 5:30. Another hour to 4:30, and a final hour to 3:30 p.m. And that's really all it is. I mean, I'm kind of shocked it's so simple. I was expecting, if they'd done something like it's 1:30 in Toronto, then you'd actually have to use the fact that clocks go backwards at 12, but or sort of cycle back to 12 after a little bit. But no, just really subtract 3 from the hours digit, and there we go. So 3:30 p.m. is an answer of C. That's all there is to it. So they gave us a nice example, and from there we understand the relationship with the time. Toronto is the later time, Vancouver is then the earlier time, earlier by 3 hours. Okay, so I think we need another sheet of paper for question number 13, and that's what we're going to take a look at in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.